Now we are importing Tkinter and time module. We are importing all from Tkinter module. This star sign is used to import all from a module, not only from this Tkinter module. In this video, we will make a GUI clock with Python. Now we are setting the length and width of the screen. Now we are writing the conditions of this Tkinter module. These conditions must be given to set up screen's length and breadth properly. Now we are writing those commands. We are taking x and y as a variable. This variable will be very useful to us in the next part of this video. Here x and y variable are quite same at looking, but their works are totally different and their value are also different. Now we are setting the comment root.geometry. In the case of configuration, we will use root.config. Here we are setting background black by bg equals to black. Now we are making the frame. This frame will make two variables top and mid. .pack must be used in Tkinter module to run a variable. Now we are writing the label. Now we are writing the title. Our title will be CodeWithTaus. Now we are selecting the font of the text and the text size. Now we are writing that how will be the text of the clock, means the number of the clock. Here we are making a function named tick. Now we are setting the time. Now we are configuring the clock. Now we are writing our final steps. Now we are writing here if name double equals to main, and we are calling our function. I think there is problem in our code. We need to find it out. Let's have a look at our code. Now we are reading our code to find the bug. We have write the three characters of the top in uppercase. Here the problem is. Yeah, now our software is properly running. Look, our clock is working just like a digital clock. Let's try by changing the font. Let's change the color. We are also changing the background. We can see that now our clock is looking different. Let's check some more options. We are giving the module some more comments. Purple is not working. We need to change the color. That's why we given here the color red. Let's make everything black without the numbers. Oh, our code is successfully running. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.